one word from God can change your life. You're listening to Daily Prophetic.
You don't need to see the whole journey mapped out in order to feel safe. Sometimes peace comes from not seeing the whole road, but from knowing who you're walking with. The pressure to figure everything out dissipates if you know that you're walking with someone who knows the way. And the Lord says, I am leading you in my peace. I am the one who walks beside you, step by step. I'm guiding and I'm leading you. There's no reason to be afraid, for I am the one who has already walked this path. I know the way, and I'm right there by your side. There's no reason to try to figure things out, no reason to be afraid, but trust that I am the Lord who is the Waymaker and the Lord who walks with you. Do not be afraid, but trust that I am there by your side, the Lord who is bringing my peace into your heart, a reassurance that I am with you, that I know the way. To receive a personal word, click on the link in the top left of the screen or visit requestword.com.